I came to see you.
You came to see me for what? Hey, I do not want to see you. Did you hear what I said? I have no business with you, so get out of my compound.
Henry, please, can you just calm down and hear me out? Please.
Like I said, I do not want to calm down. Get out of my compound. If you think I will come back to you because Ozioma is mentally unstable, then think again because you are making a mistake. Get out of my compound.
Calm down, Henry, please. Calm down. Okay, I'll leave on one condition.
Who are you to give me condition? Huh? I said get out of my compound. Get out. Emeka, come here. Who allowed this fool into my compound?
Sir, I told her, but she insisted on coming in.
Take her out. Now.
Do not touch me.
Out. Step out of my compound. Don't touch me. I don't want to see her anymore.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.